Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable critical alerts on your Shopify app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on this sign down here. So sorry, when you click on this sign down here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings here. So that when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on sort notifications. So then you come here to just waiting to open video. So it's going to take a time to open video here. Then all you have to do, you just come here to critical alerts and you click in this sign here of this color. Then like you see color, it's gone. That's mean critical alerts disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.